Now in this video, we're going to see how to get subscribers from zero on YouTube here in Africa. Sit still, don't go anywhere. Come back and make sure that you learn all these tips about YouTube. Israel once again from Injibs, and I want you to learn something about YouTube. If you're here in Africa, down here in Africa, I'm in South Africa, Cape Town, and we're trying to really teach people how to make money on YouTube. But then now, before we dive straight into it, make sure that if you're new to this channel, touch the subscribe button there at the bottom and touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification whenever I upload a video on YouTube, just for your education about YouTube. So now, how do you crush it? How do you start making subscribers? How do you start earning and get subscribers from zero when you've got zero subscribers? Now, I do understand that you've started your video, you've created your YouTube channel, and it's up and running and it's going and you want to start crushing it, but then now you're wondering what are subscribers and what is subscribers. Now, like I said in my previous videos, we here in Africa, we're still trying to get ourselves out of the mud and we're starting to pick ourselves from the ground, and we need to learn. This is the time that we need to learn about how to crush it and make money online. If you're in Africa somewhere and you're watching this video, you need to know that it's very easy to crush it and earn money and make money online from YouTube. Now, as we go, I'll explain to you exactly what kind of videos that earn money and what kind of content that you need to make and what are the things you need to avoid in order not to get a strike and to be suspended on YouTube. Now, first of all, what are subscribers? Now, subscribers, many people, especially here in Africa, have faced this issue here in Cape Town, in South Africa, especially when you tell people to subscribe. When you told people to subscribe, they will be like, what is subscribe? Why am I subscribing? What they think subscribing is kind of like money is gonna start be taken away, starting be deducted from their accounts, or they're gonna start losing airtime or something like that. They think subscribing, it's more like a debt. You're opening it, you're subscribing. When you subscribe, then you're gonna take all their details and you're gonna take all their bank accounts and you're gonna take their ID numbers and you're gonna take their phone numbers. So people are skeptic. People here still need to learn about these things. But now, what is subscribing exactly on YouTube? Now, a subscriber on YouTube is when you in order to create an audience, to build an audience. Now, if you're in Africa somewhere, in Somalia, in Tanzania, in Kenya, you need to learn these things. Even here in South Africa, somewhere down there in the townships, and you're watching this video, you need to learn these things now about YouTube. Now, subscriber, you need an audience. Just like you sit on TV and watch your soapies every evening, you are an audience. Automatically, without subconsciously, you've subscribed to Generation Scandal. Those are our soapies here. Generation Scandals, Isidingo, Imbeu, those are our channel, our soapies here. So now, if you are hooked to Generation and you are hooked to, and then you missed it, say you missed it on TV, you're gonna go on YouTube, so that you can catch it from there. So now, in order to become a generation soapies audience, you need to subscribe. They're not gonna take any money from you. They won't snatch any details. They won't take your phone number and give it to some snipers or something. They're not gonna do that. Now, you're becoming an audience, part of the audience. It's not gonna charge you. It's not gonna cost you nothing. It's not. Don't be afraid. So being a subscriber is becoming a part of audience. You are an audience, part of the audience of that show itself. So to me, that's a privilege. You're becoming a part of the platform. So when you are asked to subscribe to YouTube, it means you subscribe, you're becoming an audience. That's step one, to become an audience. And then they acknowledge you as part of the audience. Then you get a seat onto that show. So then on the media show. So then next thing is when you touch the bell button next to subscribe, it's for you to receive a message or a notification or an email, a notification even on top there on the YouTube, on your YouTube channel page. You'll see there is a notification icon. Now whenever if you click someone else's bell, if you click someone else's bell on someone else's YouTube channel, you are watching their video and then you clicked on you subscribed. After subscribing, you clicked on the bell. Then whenever they upload something or whenever they comment to your videos or whatever they do on their side, because you are an audience and you subscribed and you clicked on their bell, on your bell on top there, you will receive a message saying that so and so that you subscribed to has uploaded a video, has just uploaded a new video for you. Therefore, go straight and watch that video if you want to. So now you can choose there when you're clicking on the bell, you can choose whether you want to see all the notifications or you want to see just a few notifications. It's up to you. So that is what subscribing means. Subscribing doesn't mean, as Africans we need to learn these things about YouTube. So subscribing doesn't mean they're gonna take your details, they're gonna steal your details, they're gonna take your personal, they're gonna come steal your TV, they're gonna take your fridge. No, that's not what it means. It simply means you're becoming an audience. Now if you started a YouTube channel, you need an audience. YouTube loves to see that you've got an audience. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to build authority. You need to build authority on YouTube. For you to start crushing it, and YouTube algorithm to notice you. Now there we go again. What is an algorithm? Now, as Africans in Africa here, we need to learn these terms. What is an algorithm? Algorithm, now YouTube works with an algorithm. YouTube itself has a system. Now the system, they tell the system what to do. They program the system. Now that system is called an algorithm. It's more like it's like a robot, computer kind of robot thingy. It's the one that scans all the. Now YouTube has got millions and trillions of YouTubers, of viewers, of people who visit YouTube daily. Now that work can't be done manually. It can't be done manually by people. I mean, are you going to hire the whole country to do that? So they created a robot, a system that goes around and scans through all of that, also removing the spamming, removing all of that stuff, or removing the virus, removing all of that stuff out of the YouTube channels to make sure that the YouTube network is clean, and it's free, spam free. So now that system is called an algorithm. Now algorithm notices each and every thing that a viewer does on YouTube, especially you the creator. When you create your channel and then you put it up, then you need to create a momentum. You need to build authority on your channel. So now the more you do, the more you are active, the more your channel is active on YouTube, the more the algorithm start picking on your activities. You create activity and analytic. You create an analytic. So therefore, YouTube starts picking on your behavior. Now YouTube algorithm was designed according to human behavior. It studied. They programmed it to study the human behavior. That's why you see it. You can't. I'll tell you in future. I'll tell you things that you shouldn't do on YouTube. They're going to buy subscribers, going to buy views, going to buy all those stuff. YouTube algorithm notices all that stuff because it was designed to follow human behaviors. So now, when you create your own channel, you need authority. Now authority, what builds authority? What builds authority is, one, you need subscribers. You need subscribers. The more subscribers you get, the more audience, your audience is growing. Audience is growing. Of which it used to be more, years ago it used to be much based on subscribers. But today it's not your video going viral. It's not based on your subscribers. But then now you need subscribers to create authority. Subscribers basically today, it's not about moving, like YouTube pushing your videos more because you got more subscribers now. Because we've seen many channels, many videos that go viral and get millions of views. Meanwhile, they've got only less than 1,000 subscribers. They've got only less than maybe a couple of thousand. So it's not about YouTube doesn't push your videos simply because you've got so much subscribers. Now, why do you need subscribers? Subscribers are needed for your audience, for an audience to create your authority. Those are the things needed to see that your YouTube channel has authority. Now, to create your subscribers from zero, you need it. I would advise you to go organic. Go organic. Don't go buy subscribers. Go organic. That's sub for sub. There are many sites that you can go and do sub for sub, going on sites and telling people to subscribe you, going on other people's channels and comment asking them to subscribe you. That is wrong. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let people find you. Let people find. YouTube loves when people subscribe to you. They watch what you have. They watch your content. And they feel like this is their home. This is what they've been looking for. This is what they love watching. Therefore, they go ahead and subscribe. Now, to YouTube algorithm, when a viewer comes and watches the video to the end, that's number one proof that they love the video. Now, YouTube pushes videos after seeing the audience behavior, the viewers' behavior. Now, if they see they've watched it too, because most people drop off in the middle of the video. They always drop off. They hardly watch the video to the end. Now, when a viewer watches your video to the end, that's number one tip to YouTube, that they love your video. Now, when they go ahead and subscribe, now that's even a top up to show that they really love you. So YouTube loves people, YouTube creators to create organic subscriber. Create organic subscriber count. Create organic audience. Real people, not bots, not robots. Don't go buy bots and put them just for your channel to look flashy, for you to look as if you've got all these numbers. Don't go for that. YouTube hates that. YouTube doesn't work with bots. YouTube work with humans that are out there, that are busy. It's fine. You can tell your family, you can call your sisters, you can call your brothers and cousins and your whole family and tell them to subscribe to you. That's okay, because they are human. YouTube goes with human behavior. So don't go buy robots, don't go buy subscribers, don't do that. Grow your subscribers from the bottom, grow them from zero. It's fine. You can have 5 subscribers a month. You can have 10 subscribers in 5 months. It's okay. You need to value those few subscribers that you have. That is your audience. Value that. Make sure that you build it from scratch. Build it slowly, brick by brick. Now, YouTube values someone who's got 25 organic subscribers than a person who's got 1 million bots. 1 million bots. That channel is built on sand. It will never grow. Have at least 25 organic subscribers. It's real people. It's people that can comment to your content. It's people that can like and create how do you call it? Create conversation, create interaction, real human interaction. Now, that is what YouTube likes. So build your subscriber count organically. Don't go for sub. I do understand that you might right now be desperate for subscribers, but it's fine. Get 2 subscribers each week. that is good. That is good enough for YouTube. You do not need, I'm sure you're seeing people with million subscribers and all that, but you surely do not even know where they're getting their subscribers. You don't know if those subscribers are real. You don't know if their channels will last even a year without being suspended by YouTube. So create your subscriber count from zero organically. Build it from zero organically. Now this is how you go about creating a YouTube channel, and make sure that you stick by and watch more, and learn, get more tips from how to create a YouTube channel, how to crush it and make money, start making money on YouTube. So make sure that before you go away, if you want to see more on my videos, touch the subscribe button there, and also touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification whenever I upload a video on YouTube. Now let's crush it here in Africa. Let's start building ourselves. Let's start crushing it and making money online, and build ourselves and build our confidence in front of the camera, and make sure that we get out of that primitivity and out of that ignorance. Israel again, come back again for more video tips. Bye bye.